Wel, des I yma blynydde nôl I wneud I hyfforddi fel athrawes, a ar ôl fod yma am flwyddyn, o'n i'n meddwl, sa'n mynd I gadael.
My connection with Aber began when my husband got a job at university here. I really loved this area, so I learned Welsh.
Ges i'n ganu yn Aberystwyth a wy'n byw o beth oedd tŷ fy nhatgi. Mae mam byw 5 tŷ lawr y stryd.
After I did my first degree in Oxford, I came here to learn Welsh, and 20 years later I am the mayor of Aberystwyth, so obviously I stayed. Something was good about the place.
Mae pobl ifanc ma, myfyrwyr, pobl sydd wedi ymddeol yma, pobl sy'n gweithio yma, pobl o bob rhan o'r byd yn dod yma.
Your days are full, really, because there's so much to do and there's brilliant people to talk with and groups to connect with, and there's a beautiful natural environment to explore as well.
The community spirit, I think Aberystwyth and surrounding areas, and especially the area I'm from, Penparcau, has a very close-knit, very warm and welcoming community.
Y promenade, y striben hir na milltir o hyd, allai treulio diwrnod cyfan yn cerdded lan y law y prom. Mae rhywbeth yna yn newid pob dydd, y tywydd, y golau, digwyddiadau be mae pobl yn neud.
So I think there's many challenges facing Aberystwyth, particularly as a small rural coastal community. Obviously with the impact of climate change and rising sea levels in the sort of longer term future, this is something we need to think about. But I think moving forward, I'm definitely optimistic in terms of what's happening locally on the ground, but regionally and globally as well.
I can see quite a few challenges on the horizon for Penparcau. It's still the case that just under 40% of children in Penparcau live below the poverty line. And the recent referendum results, of course, make us all feel quite insecure about what's going to happen in the future. I think it's really important as a community that we realise that all those diverse aspects can be a real strength to the community to pull together and to create opportunities out of challenges.
I think the thing is to get past the point of all this, where we're sort of suffering from all of this uncertainty, and once we actually know what we're going to be dealing with, I think we'll be in a better place, really.
Ond ni wedi wynebu herion o flaen, a ni mynd I wynebu nhw to, a ni mynd I fod yn llwyddiannus. Mae hollol ffydd 'da fi yn y pobl a'r dre o Aberystwyth I wneud e.